Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, I'm Miles Blake, a consultant at Solved, where our main goal is to empower businesses by unlocking the full potential of Salesforce, artificial intelligence, and other automation tools. We constantly hear from clients that they are spending countless hours stuck in the repetitive cycles of prototyping, writing code, testing, redefining designs. Does that sound like you? In today's video, I'm going to show you how AI can completely transform your prototyping process, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. So let's dive right into it. Prototyping can be tedious when done manually. Writing code, running tests, refining designs, every step consumes valuable time. But by leveraging AI tools, you can significantly streamline these processes. Let's start with code generation. AI-powered tools utilize generative models to rapidly produce code snippets, templates, and even complete your own applications. Imagine reducing hours of initial coding into just minutes, simply by describing your requirements in natural language. The next is automated testing. AI doesn't only generate your prototype, but it also ensures it's functioning perfectly. AI-driven testing tools can perform regression, performance, and integration testing automatically, spotting issues early and ensuring quality without extensive manual effort. Now, let's talk about UX design. AI-driven design tools help by reviewing user stories, generating multiple design alternatives, and crafting interactive prototypes. Additionally, AI can personalize the user experience by analyzing user data to suggest design enhancements, which can greatly improve your engagement and user satisfaction. However, despite AI's impressive capabilities, human oversight remains absolutely essential. AI is excellent at speeding up repetitive tasks, but setting your product vision, deeply understanding nuanced user needs, and aligning your prototypes with strategic business goals are areas where human judgment and creativity shine brightest. Remember to always maintain transparency and adhere to ethical guidelines, especially regarding data privacy and bias mitigation when integrating AI into your workflows. At Solved, we believe AI complements human ingenuity, amplifies your creativity and efficiency, and does not replace it. If you found this video helpful and have further questions, please drop them in the comments below. We'll respond to each one. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more insightful content, including some other videos on AI that I've made, like how to use deep research to speed up solution design, and what are the risks associated with AI-assisted coding. If you're eager to stay ahead with AI, sign up for our live AI webinars to keep informed about the latest developments that are reshaping the industry today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.